Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Yukon Denali. As you can hear, that is running super smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. Those headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye, that's just a refresh rate of my camera. You see that it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels, and power deploy running boards that open up when you open the door. You also have your tow package. Here's a sneak peek of the interior. Seat 7. Black leather interior. This one has both a sunroof and the entertainment package. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Okay, you see that it does have captain's chairs for the second row, and they are heated. And they also have additional USBs and power supplies. It also has a 110 right here, which is super awesome. There's your entertainment package up there. There you go. It also does have wood accents. Right there we got the VIN. There's your trailer towing settings also here as well. As much as I like this song, we're gonna go ahead and turn that down. And also turn down the fan. There we go. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and turn this on and off so that you can see the startup cycle. Okay, and then we can actually scroll through the trip computer right here. This is what I'm pushing right here. Okay, and you'll see that it has 20,968 miles on this vehicle. Here's your heated steering wheel, cruise control. You got your other sensors that you can disable. You can do your push to talk, and we just cycled through that. So come over here, you got your push button start. You do have either cooled or heated front seats. As you come over here, you got your key fob and additional power supplies right there. Then right here, your cup holders, your phone charging station, and then down in here you have 2 additional USB ports and stowage. As you come up here, you've got your disk drive right here, and that also has a USB there in the back. Okay, as we go to radio, you see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. There's your navigation screen right there. Then you can also have your text and video. So, if you want to see the backup camera, you simply pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera with guides. And there's the glove compartment. As you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights, and then your controls for your sunroof. And then, of course, your entertainment package, which stow that up there. And that about wraps it up for this Denali on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up front that resulted in some undercarriage damage. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.